Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues, so please subscribe to our channel. There are a lot of terms within the context of family law and family court that are just thrown about. Sometimes they are utilized appropriately, sometimes not appropriately. Sometimes there's a colloquialism that has a popular meaning, but a specific term of art for the court. So you may think that such a thing is called this, the court may call it a different thing, or the court may not see something qualifying as what you might say is abuse, for example. You may think abuse is, telling your kid, you can't have a car, whereas the court looks at abuse in a very different way. A term that's thrown about a lot like that is parental kidnapping. What does parental kidnapping mean? Well, it's a little bit of a spectrum there in terms of the worst case of parental kidnapping on the one side and the lightest case, and then a lot of stuff in between. I would say that generally if the court has ordered a specific type of parenting time and there is repeated extended violation of that order, it might be tantamount to parental kidnapping. Certainly if you have a parenting time situation and one parent picks up in the middle of the night and runs to Florida with the kid without any indication where they are, without it being scheduled, without any indication when they're coming back, that would be tantamount to parental kidnapping. So when you go before the court and you ask the court for relief, you ask the court for assistance, you ask the court for perhaps sanctions for the other side doing something. Is it parental kidnapping if they went away without telling you or that kind of thing? I suppose it's up to the court to determine whether it feels that based on its orders, such a thing is tantamount to parental kidnapping. But I have to tell you, when you're in a situation like that where you don't know where your kid is, to tell the court that these actions are equate to parental kidnapping, there's certainly nothing wrong with raising that argument. Of course, it'll be up to the court to determine whether it feels that actually happened, and if so, what action to take as a result. If you have any questions, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.